legs are toast.
My calves
That
are
last
sitting.
part.
Oh yeah, the last part is just you're fighting the wind. The last part is just, it wasn't as windy.
Why do we do these things? Why do we do these things?
Why were we there yesterday?
I know we were down. Very long video, but you know what? I don't think a lot of people are ever gonna see this. So I put it. Well, a lot of people might see it. But a lot of people might not see it with DJI Alpha 3. This is what I'm going to use. If I run, I'm not scared. I've been falling. Being so damn big. Whew. right? Food hasn't tasted better. And up here, must be the view. Say bye, boys.
Can't hear you.
Bye. That's it.